Assalamualaikum guys, I'm Medium Program here with the using of well-known programming language Python. So here, let me clear this input. Okay. So here I have using four modules: time, request, json, dispatch. Time to me is wait the other program, the rest one, and request to store the data from browser, and json to convert the data, the browser data into the means programming. And the last one which I have used, it is help us, and it will be helping us in means of that in means of becoming a virtual assistant. Okay, assistant. Okay, so here now we are going to run this program.
Welcome to ARS News Channel. We have top 10 mighty blasty news of today. Our first news is Stability AI is funding an effort to create a music generating system using the same AI techniques behind Stable Diffusion. Moving to our next news. Scream Park is a 360 degrees VR experience exclusive to Meta Quest 2 that takes users on a virtual reality horror roller coaster ride. Moving to our next news. Startup founders, trying to show how big their markets are, often overstep the mark, claiming TAM/SAM/SOM numbers that are unobtainable and absurd. Moving to our next news. UK-based tech entrepreneur Ira Arielikai, co-founder of Zimna, set up a fundraising page to directly support people inside Ukraine. She got VCs to donate. Moving to our next news. Announcing 5 of the standout startups exhibiting at TC Sessions, Crypto on November 17 in Miami. Our interval news is that it's becoming clear that while venture capital investment into startups has slowed, it's still a great time to build a software company. Moving to our next news. 3 years after introducing its delivery robot, Scout, Amazon is making dramatic cuts to the service, amid wider belt tightening. Moving to our next news. Hello and welcome back to Equity, a podcast about the business of startups, where we unpack the numbers and nuance behind the headlines. Before we get into this week's show notes, some programming notes. First up, use code EQUITY for a special listener disc. The next news is a vulnerability allowed an attacker to forge messages and mint new BNB tokens. Moving to our next news. This FTX branded Visa debit card will link directly to users' accounts so people can pay for items and services with their crypto balance in FTX wallets. So these were the news. Hope we'll see you again. Have a nice day.
So these were the news. Hope you guys have enjoyed. So I have given a bit of conditions here, and here I have provide a data structure, you may say, and here I have print means first of all I have print the description, and here I have used an I to means because to validate this means I have to give only 10. So cause of that I have used an I in the middle of it, and it is right there. Okay, and I have using if else condition, if name for means to start the whenever we will be running this program. This will be starting from here. First of all, it will be reading from here, and then and just these type of things I have used in here. Okay, I will see you in the next time.